what can you not do that? You can do everything whatever you want to do, but what happen before doing any kind of actions? You thinking a lot, and that's why it's happened. So my dear friends, I want to share one thing, that if you're thinking a lot and just because of overthinking, actually you cannot do any kind of thing, especially for learning purpose, especially for your career, especially for if I will think about your education, so definitely you cannot do that. So let's get started. My name is Mrs. Richa. I'm from Great India, and so you're the warm welcome at this platform, Awesome Blossom English Nana. So I want to say one thing, that don't be think when your actions, your because of your actions, your life actually will be heaven. So for that things, don't think about your family, don't think about the neighbors, society, or anything about your hard work as well. Okay, so for the things, what will you do? You will have to do, firstly, take initiative actions, and that actions really necessary relate your career. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing is, this is the biggest lesson, when you are doing something and actually heart always saying to you true. So just try to ask you just try to ask your heart, what I am doing that actually really good for me, and your actually soul is saying just do it. If you do it, and definitely by that done, you can actually be a smarter, you also can make your future as well. So for the things, you don't have need to think more and more, as I already mentioned. Okay, but sometimes because of we are really very hurry, and that's why we do not think to take actions, and we also taking a initiative actions in few seconds. So don't be hurry when your heart is saying that you are actually little bit doing wrong, you are actually doing little wrong. So in these situations, don't be hurry, just try to take actions. Firstly, before take the actions, you will have to think, not only once, twice, thrice, you have to think more and more, you have to think linear times. If I will do that things, so definitely by that things, I also can motivate to myself, I also can help to myself, I also can make my life as well. And by that things, if I am sufficient to help anyone, if I am sufficient to teach anyone, if I am sufficient and if I am capable in the future to do something special for my family, for yourself, so please just try to ask firstly what you are doing, that thing is actually really good. So definitely you gonna actually don't have need to wait, but just try to taking, just while taking a decisions, just see that thing is actually really very good for your career. Only one decision can change your life. Only one decision can change your life, or that same decisions can help your life. So if you want to be heaven in your life, so just try to take actions. If that work is really good and really very perfect, and in that work, in a beginning of time, you will have to do more and more struggle, but by that journey, by that taking action, you also can make your life as heaven. But if you think by these decisions your life can be hell, so don't do that. Just try to ask yourself plenty of time. Before the taking a decisions, just try to ask your heart, this is actually decisions only and only for me, not for your family. Because by the decisions, by your decisions, you don't like only and only you will have no need to suffer yourself. Your family is also suffering just because of your wrong decisions. You cannot change your life. Even you also can change world environment. I just give you example. There's a lot of pollutions. It is so easy. You can control to the pollutions. No, you cannot control on the pollutions. But if you will think how to reduce the pollutions by your only and only one a good etiquette manner, and what kind of etiquette manner you can apply, only and only just try to throw your garbage which you which you are throwing into the street. Just try to make a really very good habit. Just try to throw all garbage into the dustbin. Keep dustbin into the home, and definitely buy the things. You cannot make only and only a beautiful city. Even you also can make beautiful your city, your state, society, your home. And by that things, you also can be a good habitual person. Okay, and by that things, if you just do it, these things, and after that, if you will follow this habit on daily basis, definitely after notice to you, a lot of people also will follow you. So because after some times, why I'm saying, because good habits, it's really too long be a to be a good memorable persons. Bad people, it's easy make, just because of negative is surrounding. So that's why I'm saying to you, in a beginning of time, your decisions can be so much hard, but your life will be happen, not a hell. So if you want your life as a heaven, don't be think, and just try to listen your mind, listen your taking a step, what kind of steps you want to take in your life. Just try to think that actually path should be a really very good, that path should be on the right track. So definitely by that decisions, you also can make your life as heaven. Otherwise your life is already as a hell. So it's up to you what kind of decisions you can take in your life.